Now here I've started Andrea Mosaic. First thing you're gonna want to do is select the aspect ratio of your tiles. You choose this based on what kind of images you have, so here I'm just choosing 1 by 1. After that, you select the image you want to create a mosaic of. Once you've done that, you can choose all the other parameters for your mosaic, such as resolution, tile size, a pattern, how often duplicates are used, and how accurate the color should be. So I'll just be giving a quick look at all of these. Once you've done that, you'll need to create the list of images to be used in the mosaic. So you can find these from a folder on your computer. So I'll just get my image collection here. And you must save the list. Once all that's done, you can create the mosaic. Here it's warning us that not all the tiles will be filled, so we'll just have to change our settings, such as reduce duplicate spacing, so that all of the tiles can be filled. And then we create our mosaic. And now we can view our finished product. So here it is. And that is how you use Andrea Mosaic.